everyone, I'm going to show you how to disconnect GitHub from Claude AI. So if you want to completely remove your GitHub connection from Claude, so to start, open Claude AI and sign in. Next, click your profile icon or initials in the lower left corner. Then select Settings. Once you're on Settings, scroll down and look for Connectors. Click on it. Now, once you're on Connectors, look for GitHub Integration. So click GitHub Integration. Then you can see Disconnect button at the top right. So click Disconnect and confirm the action. So Claude says disconnecting a connector stops it from accessing the connected services. So Claude says disconnecting a connector stops it from accessing the connected service. So just click disconnect to continue.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And it's now disconnected. So let's go back and double check. So as you can see, we have connect here. So that means GitHub is already disconnected to Claude AI. And that's it. Super simple. Thank you for watching.